guys, today I'll show you how to fix Stremio buffering issue. So don't forget to subscribe for more Stremio tutorials. So look up here, Stremio app on your desktop, and head over to board. Now you're in the board section. Head over to the settings gear here, click on it, and here just go to streaming. And for here, you just need to make sure your cache size is 2 GB minimum. And you can scroll down to the bottom of the page, go to streaming here, and you can also make sure you also click on this cache size 2 GB. You can select 5 and show the torrent profile, make sure it's default, and the Rascot profile is disabled. So this is pretty much it, guys. Or you can also use a dedicated VPN. So click on head over to Google, type in VPN for Stremio. Now you can just also click on the link and download one of these VPN to start using with Stremio and avoid caching and the buffering issues. So for example, you can select NordVPN and you can download this NordVPN on your desktop. Now this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and here we go. Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to download movies on Stremio, but before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Stremio tutorials. So open Stremio on your desktop, head over to the home page or board, select the movie that you want to watch or install, and here for example you have this Obsession movie called Obsession, and here you can click on turn to cam quality, click on this to play this movie, and here it is, guys. You can successfully watch Stremio movie here, and choose the language and everything. You can also download subtitles. Download this movie, click on the 3 dots and click on download this video. To start downloading this video, click on go to this web address. So this all enable you to download your movie.
Guys, today I will show you how to install the add-ons directly on Stremio. So open Stremio on your desktop and head over to the board and then select add-ons. And just here you have the selected add-ons are the installed ones and all the type of add-ons. But if you want to add an add-on, just click on Add Add-on and paste your add-on URL after you get it from Google. And you can also search here for add-ons, so you can also click on Community Add-ons and search the add-ons that suits your needs for the new community. There is a merch ++, there are new, etc. So we have these, all the community add-ons. You can sell them directly on Stremio without needing the URL. And you can also click on official add-ons to see the official add-ons that Stremio offers by default. So we have YouTube at shop, etc. This is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.